today I'm going to show you how I'm going to put the Zip System liquid flash along the edges down here to help protect not only from weather seeping in, but also from insects. So I already wiped this down and cleaned it up, and then now I'm going to apply it nice and thick and use this doohickey right here to smooth it out. And I also say that it doesn't really stick to the tape very well, so you don't really need to get much from the tape, but anything around it. What I've been doing is just putting several beads across for a ways, and then I go over and fix it after. Now I'm just going to run it smoothly across. And any of those places that didn't get enough, I can kind of put some more in and then run it across again. This stuff is pretty easy to use. I've liked using it. So I've done this side of the house to this point. I'll do over there. I have done the corner. This corner. We're getting this side ready for siding. They say to wear rubber gloves, but it's a little chilly here today, so I'm just wearing my winter gloves. Alright, that's the last of this tube. If you find my videos useful or entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.